Here, man. I'm gonna go ahead and start this mower up now. Let's see how she's doing. Cross your fingers. Something like a valve issue. Motor wobbling. I had to tighten it down. Through the drive belt. Nice after I cleaned it. A little more cleaning to do, I guess. Looks good. It's in pretty rough shape. Drive belt there. Put air in the tires. Sounds good to run in. Sure don't sound good starting up. Yeah, that's not sounding good. I have to figure out if the valves are set right. Something's not working up there in the front end. Alright, Henry, we had with the oil was run really low too, so who knows. And it was real thick. So, alright, Henry Weeder, man, out on this Troy-Bilt lawnmower with a Courage 20 Kohler motor.